Hopefully I will be audible. Hopefully I will be audible. I have on my mic. Hopefully I will be audible. So let's start with learn C++. So I have been reading some basics before actually starting to do streams, and that's fine. Introductions to literals and operators. I think I have done that, but let's revise. I will go to my sorry CD playground CPP 12 ls 13 ls 14 ls. Okay, this is empty. Main dot cpp. So first few lines are same as of any program. IO stream using namespace std main on 0. So literals are nothing but constants. Operators I have done. Nomenclature. Quiz time. Three plus 4 7 and a new line. Cool. See out. 7 minus 5 2. So first it is going to 2 plus 3 5 20 should be the answer for this question, because C++ does not follow rules of pod mass, and 20 will be the answer. Shit, it's wrong. 2 plus 3 goes before addition, so 3 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14. Okay, got it. I was wrong. Extra credit. X is initialized as 2, list initialization. C out x equal to 5. I think this should be invalid. No, not invalid. X equal to 5 assigns value to 5 to x, then returns x value of the x. Now 5 is printed to the console. Okay, cool. Let's go to expressions. Introduction to expression. Consider the following series of statements, each of which defines a variable and initializes it. Int 5 return 5. Int main int b 2 plus 3, int c 3 plus 4 with computed value, int d b int 5, int e has been initialized to 5 function, so e equal to 5, return 5. Note that the initializers above use variety of different entities, literals, variables, operators, function calls, some. Now C++ is converting all these things into single value that can then be used as initial value for the variable. What do all of these initializers have in common? They make use of an expression. In general programming, an expression is an empty space sequence of literals, variables, and operators, and function calls that calculates a value. The process of executing an expression is called evaluation, and the result value is produced is called a result of the expression. When an expression is evaluated, each of these. Oh, one second. Let me see by what thumbnail this stream is going on. Let me see. YouTube.com. Mm. Hide home feed. I don't want you to know my home feed. Shit. Learning Git from ProGit. Wow. Name of the stream is wrong. Wow. Name should be crack dev, and thumbnail should be day. Let me save it. Yeah, sorry for that, guys. Sorry for that. Let me just reload it. Cool. Cool. When an expression is evaluated, each of the terms inside expression are evaluated until a single value remains. Here are some examples of different kinds of expression with comments indicating how they evaluate. As you see, literals evaluate to their own values. Variables evaluate to the value of variables. Operators use their operands to evaluate some other value. Covered functions call yet, but in context of an expression, function call evaluates to whatever value the function returns. Wherever a single value is expected in C++, you can use a value producing expression instead. Expression do not end in semicolon. You cannot be compiled by themselves. For example, if you are trying to compile an expression x equal to 5, your compiler would compile probably about a missing semicolon. The other expression are always evaluated as part of statements. For example, int x equal to 2 plus 3. If you break this statement into its syntax, it would look like type identifier and expression. Type and then identifier is the variable name. Identifier is name of the object. The object is placed in memory. Type could be any valid type. One second, guys, I have to make a call. Sorry. Type could be any valid type. Identifier could be any valid name. An expression could be any valid expression. We choose 2 plus 3, which uses two literals and operators. Certain expressions such as x equal to 5 are primarily used by their side effects. In case to assign value 5 to the variable rather than the value they produce. We'll cover side effects in lesson learning. Okay, cool. Introduction to literal and operators. I have already done that. Because x equal to 5, when we are assigning x equal to 5, I have done that. However, we mentioned all the statements cannot be executed by themselves. They must exist as part of the statement. Fortunately, it is trivial to convert any expression into equivalent statement. An expression is the statement that consists of an expression followed by a statement which consists of an expression followed by a semicolon. When the expression is executed, expression will be evaluated. Used in an expression statement, any result generated by the expression is discounted because it is not true. For example, when expression x equal to value, its return value operator is discarded. Cool. Useless expression statements. We can also make expression statement compile but have no effect. For example, expression statement 2 into 3 is an expression statement whose expression evaluates the result of value 6, which is then discarded. While syntactically valid, such are useless. Some compilers such as GCC produce warning that detect an expression statement is useless. Okay, let me try if that is useless or not. 2 into 3. WQ G++ main.cpp -o main. Oh, did not show warning. Main worked. Cool. Shit. This is the object file. Then main.cpp. Mother chode. Oh shit, I am abusing on the stream. Wait. Sorry guys.